Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, 8 speakers, automatic air conditioning, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.